In today's fast-paced world, finding time for fitness can be a daunting challenge for busy adults. However, with the right mindset and a few simple strategies, achieving fitness goals is entirely possible, even with a packed schedule. The key is to integrate efficient and effective routines into daily life that fit seamlessly into existing commitments. Start with short, high-intensity workouts that maximize results in minimal time. Programs like HIIT, high-intensity interval training, are ideal as they combine short bursts of intense activity with brief rest periods. For instance, a 20-minute HIIT session can include exercises such as burpees, squat jumps, and mountain climbers, all designed to elevate heart rates and burn calories quickly. This way, you can fit in a powerful workout during a lunch break or while the children are engaged in their activities. Incorporating fitness into your daily routine is another essential strategy. Opt for activities that don't require significant time allocations, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a brisk walk during a coffee break. Simple actions, like doing bodyweight exercises while watching television or even engaging in office stretches, can significantly improve fitness levels over time. These movements can keep your body active while allowing you to maintain focus on other tasks, thereby blending fitness with your daily life. Planning is vital for busy adults. Carve out specific times each week dedicated to exercise, just as you would an important meeting. Scheduling these sessions into your calendar can create a sense of commitment. Choose activities that you enjoy, whether it's a dance class, yoga session, or cycling, as this increases the likelihood of sticking with them. Moreover, making use of available resources like fitness apps or online workout videos can provide guidance and motivation without requiring a visit to the gym. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of recovery and nutrition in your routine. Prioritize sleep to give your body the rest it deserves, enabling recovery and muscle growth. Eating a balanced diet filled with whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables will support your fitness journey. Small changes in diet can enhance performance and aid in energy management, ensuring you stay active despite your busy lifestyle. By embracing these routines, busy adults can thrive with an energizing fitness plan that fits into their bustling lives. In today's fast-paced world, busy adults often struggle to find time for fitness. However, establishing an effective workout routine doesn't have to be time-consuming. With a few targeted exercises and smart scheduling, anyone can incorporate fitness into their daily lives, leading to improved health and well-being. To start, it's essential to simplify the workout schedule. Choosing a specific time each day, whether in the morning, during lunch, or after work, helps develop a consistent habit. Short but intense workouts like high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be extremely effective. These sessions usually last around 20-30 minutes, allowing busy adults to squeeze in effective exercise without overwhelming their day. Next, the focus should be on compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Movements such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are excellent choices. These exercises not only build strength, but also boost metabolism, helping to burn calories efficiently. Pairing these exercises with minimal rest can create a power-packed workout session in a short amount of time. Additionally, flexibility is crucial when developing a fitness routine. Adults can utilize breaks during their day to fit in quick exercise bursts. Whether it's brisk walking during lunch, doing a few squats while waiting for coffee, or stretching after long hours at a desk, integrating movement throughout the day stimulates energy levels and enhances focus. Moreover, incorporating technology like fitness apps or wearable devices can motivate busy adults to achieve their goals. These tools offer personalized workout plans and track progress, turning fitness into a game that fits seamlessly into a hectic lifestyle. Furthermore, considering group classes or online workout sessions can provide a sense of community and accountability, making fitness a more enjoyable endeavor. Finally, remember to prioritize recovery and nutrition. Busy schedules often lead to neglecting dietary choices. However, nourishing the body with healthy foods and staying hydrated is essential for energy and motivation. Preparing meals in advance or opting for healthy snacks can keep fitness on track and fuel workouts efficiently. Overall, busy adults can achieve fitness by prioritizing short, effective workouts, utilizing movement throughout the day, and embracing technology and proper nourishment. With the right approach, Even the busiest individuals can lead healthier, more active lives.